What's up, beautiful people of the world? Welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking a hot mess right now, but it's the weekend, IRL. You're probably watching this later, but for me it's the weekend and I have a whole bunch of stuff that I have to get done today. I need to clean up my house a little bit, like the pre-spring cleaning. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I need to go pick up my Girl Scout cookies. I need to run a Target. I might run an Ulta. So today is just going to be, I need to film something too. Today might be a little hectic, but I decided I should probably vlog today since I'm actually doing something. That's the hardest part about trying to have lifestyle content up on my channel, is that I don't be doing nothing. So that's my life. Today though, I do have something super cool. Hold on. Good Molecules sent me a PR package, which thanks Good Molecules. Thanks for checking out your girl, hooking her up. The first thing I have here is an instant cleansing balm, which that should be interesting. Let me open it. Here it is. It comes in a container like this. Oh, and it comes like with a little spatula. Okie dokie. And here's the balm. It's like a white thing. Then I have, how y'all say this word? Put the pronunciation at the bottom because I'm not even about to play. It's a brightening toner. Ooh. They sent this a week or two ago and I just have not gotten around to using it. Oh, it's like legit. I think this is glass. It is a brightening toner and it's supposed to brighten it and improve appearance of enlarged pores. I'm trying to see like what type of skin, or if they have, if it's a particular type of skin type these products are for, but it doesn't have a specific. And then they have two serums. So one is a super peptide serum, and then the other one is that same inward serum. I wonder what's the difference between these. Are both good for AM and PM. That's what this says at least. So I wonder if I should pick one to use and give the other away. One is to refine skin texture and minimize pores. One is to target fine lines, wrinkleness, and dullness, the super peptide one. So I think I'm gonna give the super peptide one away because I don't have wrinkles, fine lines, not that I know of, or dullness. So I'm gonna give this one away in a giveaway that I have coming up soon for one of my subscribers. So yeah, I'm gonna use this today because I haven't gotten a chance to use it, and you'll probably see like a full-on review of this within, I want to say it'll probably take me like 2 to 3 weeks to keep using it to see if I like it or not. But I'm gonna first try it here on the vlog. These products are made in Korea, if that's something you wanted to know. And I think these are sold on Beauty Bay. I know that Trend Mood had her box, and in one of her boxes, I think the second one, the volume 2, it came with the eye patches from this brand. Would have loved to gotten that too because those looked very promising. Oh, this is just so cute and simple. It looks almost like a prescription. I like that. I like that. So give me a second and I'm gonna brush my teeth and then we'll start working with these products. I lied. I haven't started brushing my teeth yet, but I wanted to show you guys too, while we're on this like little mini PR haul, these what is this called? These Kiss nails that were sent to me by an influencer, and they sent me like 4 packs. I think the newest version is the Impress Couture collection, and then these are the Kiss Jelly Fantasies nails, and they're I think they're translucent nails. Ugh. I believe these are translucent nails. That's what the package says. Yeah, so here are the pink pair Comes with 28 nails. That I might wear to a concert I'm going to in March. Then these are more like, I don't know if you would call them more professional, more bougie, like in that style. Here it is. And this little one comes with, oh, it comes with more nails. It comes with 30 nails. So you get more nails in these smaller packages. And these are really cute too. Something that I might like wear to work. These also come with 30 nails, 12 accents. And this pair, which is like a gray and a gold. These are really, really cute, y'all. And I think these are shorter to target like a more professional audience, but like still with some cute detailing. But you don't have to use those. Of course, you could use just these two without having to use the ones with all the diamonds and stuff. And then on the weekend when you off work, you could pop that plain one off, pop on that one with the pearls and stuff, and live your best life. These say that there is no glue needed, and this one came with glue and sticky tabs. So I don't know, if y'all wear press-on nails, let me know down below in the comments if you use the glue or do you use the tabs, and which ones last longer. Yeah, which one lasts the longest? Because it says wear beyond 7 days is not recommended. So which ones will last? So which ones will last the actual full 7 days? Let me know, sis. All right, so let's start off with the cleansing balm. I'm gonna read, the instructions because I don't know how to do this. Using an enclosed spatula, scoop out a generous amount and apply to dry skin. Key. Massage into skin with gentle circular motions. Rinse with water or wipe away with a damp cloth. And it's suitable for daily use. So let's go ahead and do just that. Here's the little scooper thing. It reminds me of those little ice cream spoons. They used to come in those little ice cream and you would just... Okay, let me quit playing. Oh, it's like, it feels like coconut oil. Wow, look at the texture of this. Coconut, like, I would think this is just coconut oil. It says a generous amount, so hopefully that's generous. Because it feels so weird. This is gonna feel so weird. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh wow. Y'all saw that? It like melted as soon as it made contact with my face. I might have went over generous with it. I'm just saying. Wow. Ooh. It's a texture that will definitely take some getting used to, because it does feel like you're just putting on like an oily substance on your face. But it feels like this will be very hydrating, which would be great for my skin, actually, if this turns out right. I think that'll work pretty well. I'm gonna have to test that out on a makeup face, because that might be something that we're definitely sleeping on. But like, this smells like this might be some like prescription stuff. Not mad at it. Okay, I got my sink kind of messed up. The next thing I'm gonna go in with is the niacinamide brightening toner. Guess that's how you say it. And for this, directions: dispense onto a cotton pad. I have a paper towel because I don't buy cotton pads. I should probably, but it's a whole thing. Okay, it says it can be dispensed into your palm and pat it over, which is different from my other toner, which tells me precisely just to use some sort of cotton or something to put it in. So I'm gonna put it in the palm of my hand and see how that works. And it has like a little hole, so you can't like over squirt. It doesn't feel like, it has a little stick to it, but it's so slight. Y'all know I don't like sticky textures, so if it bothered me, I would definitely let you know. I don't like any sticky things ever. And I guess next I'm supposed to put on the serum. It says apply a small amount to your face in the morning and at night before oils, moisturizers, and creams. Which I don't have a moisturizer from this brand, so I have to use like my typical moisturizers. So let me get this toner, the niacinamide serum. That's a hard name. Sounds medicinal. I didn't even pick up any. Wow. I like the texture. That is more of a like a jelly texture. A gel serum. But just a little bit. It doesn't feel like edge control or anything. But that texture is amazing. I like the texture of that serum. I've never had a serum that was like this texture. It's not sticky at all. So that worked out fine. My skin looks brightened. She looks awoke. And now I'm gonna, I guess, use this Glow Recipe moisturizer. I've been testing this out since the beginning of January, and I still haven't posted my review on it yet because, like I said, with skincare, 2 to 3 weeks minimum before I give a review on it, because it's hard to know. Like, I'm still, well, I know how I feel about it now, but at the end of January, I wasn't even able to like give you guys a review because I was like, I don't know yet. I had to use it in multiple different ways to find out if I actually did recommend this. So I guess next week, stay tuned for a collective haul review because I'm finally ready to tell you how I feel. And she's done with the skincare for today. Winnie went to go pick me up a Dunkin' Donuts donut and a tea. That's pretty much all I'm having for breakfast. Right now, what am I about to do right now? What was I about to do? Oh, I need to call and schedule an appointment for my dog. But they be playing. I don't like this PetSmart.
PetSmart. Did you know that you could book your pet's grooming appointment online and through our mobile app? Visit PetSmart.com or your app store and book with your favorite groomer.